Payroll day doesn't have to be stressful. With QuickBooks Online Payroll, you can pay your team accurately and stay compliant in just a few steps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Ensure all employee time sheets are approved. Then, go to the Payroll menu and select Run Payroll. Choose the pay period and date. QuickBooks will pre-fill hours and calculate all taxes and deductions automatically. Review the payroll summary carefully. Once everything is correct, submit it. QuickBooks will handle the tax payments and direct deposits, if enabled, from there. My crucial pro tip? Set up and use scheduled payroll. Don't start from scratch each time. Use the Schedule Payroll feature to create a template for your regular pay runs. This saves time and prevents errors on data that doesn't change. Pay your team with confidence and get back to running your business. Are you a weekly, bi-weekly, or semi-monthly payroll business? For more essential business operations guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.